What's up everyone? Welcome to another video here on the channel. In this video I am out and about with my nephew Josh.
Hello.
Josh is, you're half British, right?
Something like that, yeah.
Something like that. So I'll probably have to stop for a cup of tea every other 5 minutes or so. But you don't even drink tea, do you?
A little bit.
A little bit. But you drink beer and you drink coffee.
Yeah.
Alright. That's good, because I didn't bring any tea. So you know the drill. Tag along and let's see what this weekend has to offer. Boom! We just turned off the main dirt road and we're debating on whether to keep going or not. What do you think? Should we keep going?
It looks alright, I think.
Jag klarar allt.
Där ja. Det var backen.
So that fire lookout tower, whatever it was, as usual, it's a bust. That's what it looks like. Doesn't look like much on camera, I guess, but that's taller than me. On to plan B, I guess. Well, this was pretty cool.
Yeah, the view on the left.
Yeah, I know. Hope the drone captures it.
Yeah, I hope so.
Alright, I think we have to turn around after this. I think it's a dead end.
Sounds like a good idea.
All right, cool. Ja, det blir faktiskt skillnad. Det blir det. Emil har ju en också, en Outwell, fast lite annorlunda formad. Så man sitter som en jävla king. Sist jag var ute och somnade jag så här.
Fy fan vad skönt.
Ja, i elden och bara värmde lite.
Det är något magiskt när man eldar på kvällen och det är lite kyligt ute liksom.
Ja, helt underbart.
Det bästa jag vet är när man är Älvdalen har bastat så går man ut och bara sätter sig där på balkongen.
Ja, exakt. F you. Live in this trash. Only trash leaves trash. Told you before. Alright, this is our go-to drink. It is just coffee and this I don't know. Cheers. Alright. Cheers! Köpte man fick en kit sådär i trä. Stora träetuier. Och sen den där och sen även ja, det är från det här luren som ja. Alright, the campfire is blazing and we're in this little shack, shanty, whatever. And Josh is about to fly his drone. And it's got a light. Look at it. Dude, that's awesome. used before, but I think we can make it work. Super icy and snowy, but god damn it, we'll make it work. It doesn't look like it's gonna work, but good morning, guys. We just woke up and got camp packed, and we are ready to leave. The sun is peeking over the mountains. It's gonna be a good day. So thanks for watching, and please do us a favor. Do us a favor. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. We're close to getting monetized and we need your help. Alright? Thanks. Boom. Alright, you guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we did making it. You might have noticed that the drone footage is a bit better. Nope, not that one, that was on me. But the rest of it, or some of it, is done by Josh. He's actually a bit of a pro. He does TV shows and commercials and whatnot, so if you need any help filming, you'll find him on Instagram under Joshua Clay Media, and I'll drop his link in the description box. So thank you for watching. Go subscribe if you want to. Until next time, keep exploring, never stop.